Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today I want to talk about why you need in-app purchases with ads. By the way, please ignore my stupid hairstyle. I'm not able to go out to hairdresser because of COVID cases are increasing in my city, and also hairdressers shops are closed. Let's get into the video now. First, to give some idea about the in-app purchases who are new in game or app development. The in-app purchases allows charging users for a specific functionality or features, like giving them more weapons or unlimited bullets. One of the great things about building games is that you have lots of choices when it comes to monetizing your game, like free games with ads or even games with in-app purchases or even a mix of ads and in-app purchases. I've seen new developers focus on ad revenue, but just monetizing on ad revenue, in my experience, is not good. We should also focus on in-app purchases, which will monetize game better and give you more ways to monetize. And you can also show ads when user not feel disturbed. For example, what we do, we show ads every third session when user lose or win. With this, user feel not interrupted by advertisements and their interest in the game not get over. They feel good with ads. And when we add in-app purchases, we need to give users several options, not just give small number of in-app purchases, but allow them to buy from $1 to $1,000. Because if the user gets interested in your game, they can pay you well. Here are some benefits you get with in-app purchases. First one is the obvious one, is in-app purchase add an extra way to earn money. Second, combining free games with in-app purchases. Free games get many more downloads than paid apps or games, and if user enjoy the game, they can purchase more features or functionality later because they have different options of in-app purchases. So combination of free games with in-app purchases is deadly. Third, after the initial release of game, new paid content can be added to the same game instead of developing a brand new game to earn more money. Let's quickly talk about what things should be avoided in in-app purchases. Our most of the games are free and they don't have in-app purchases. The reason for not adding in-app purchases is that I think if in-app purchases don't give some hike or make user love your game more after they spend money, then there is no point to add in-app purchases. In-app purchases should increase their interest in their game, and if that works, later the user will likely to buy more in-app purchases. There are some complete no-nos with in-app purchases, like don't ask for money after every game session and don't play in-app purchases everywhere in the game. It ruins the genuine enjoyable game. Also give the user a pleasant experience with the free game even they don't purchase in many sessions, because the good free game should provide user everything that lets them enjoy the game to the full potential without even buying anything. If the user get disturbed with forced in-app purchases, they will leave your game, which will damage game ranking because game retention will go down. So only add in-app purchases where user feel excited to buy